GF Piping Systems introduces the new CoolFit 2.0 push system, complementing the existing CoolFit 2.0 portfolio. With this innovative system, GF Piping Systems offers more possibilities in industrial cooling and air conditioning by simplifying the transition between CoolFit 2.0 and the cooling unit. The maintenance-free CoolFit 2.0 push system is suitable for indoor applications with temperatures ranging from 5 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. The pipes, fittings, and valves can be easily and mechanically connected thanks to the plug-and-play solution. To begin, use the installation instructions to check that all the necessary tools and materials are available. Now prepare the pipe for connection. For a new pipe start, remove the cap from the pipe end and the adhesive tape on the insulation. At the intersection, cut the insulation square with the scissors. Push the insulation aside, mark the cutting point, and cut the pipe flush with the insulation using the pipe cutter. Chamfer and calibrate the pipe end with chamfering tool. The chamfering should always be checked visually. Remove any chips that may be remaining, also inside the tube. The net of the insulation is pulled to the rear. It is easier to attach the compression ring if the insulation is first pulled off the pipe. The chamfer must be pushed in towards the pipe. Push the compression ring over the insulation with the chamfered side first. The surface of the insulation must lie flush in the ring. Now the adapters can be opened before use. Push this onto the inner pipe end as far as it will go. Please ensure by visual inspection that the inspection window of the adapter is completely filled by the pipe. Insert the module into the adapter and push it in until an audible click is heard. Prepare the second and third pipe end and also push it onto the module until an audible click is heard. The counter tension allows you to check whether the pipe, adapter, and module are firmly connected to each other. In the next step, place the connection in the shell. To do this, push the insulation with compression ring to butt to the adapter. The mesh must be outside the shell. Here too, make sure by visual inspection that the insulation is butt jointed in the shell. If necessary, push it in the direction of the adapters. The compression rings must be completely inside the shell. With the same shell and fitting, you can connect two different dimensions. For example, D32 with D25 or D20 with D16. Roll the net back a bit on all tubes and close the shell. Then you can snap the tabs with a screwdriver. After closing the shell, a mark is made along the edge of the shell. The mark later indicates whether the position of the insulation has shifted during the further installation process and can be corrected by opening the shell again. The CoolFit 2.0 push system is connected to the CoolFit 2.0 using a transition fitting and adapter. To do this, clean the transition and glue the adhesive ring in place. The CoolFit 2.0 push system can be inserted and installed in standard pipe clamps using the CoolFit 2.0 push system pipe shells. Now, click in the transition fitting into the pipe. Pull over the isolation and check for stability. The insulation must be pressed against the adhesive ring and the mesh pulled over. Finally, check the marking points again.